How to recover Outlook account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can recover your Outlook account password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to recover your Outlook account password, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Outlook application over here. Once you launch your Outlook app, you just want to make sure to actually tap on the add account option. Now since we forgot our password, first of all what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my email address here, and then I'm just going to tap on the continue option. If you remember your account password, you can go ahead and then enter your password to log in. But if you do not remember your account password, you'll be taken to the page where you can simply reset your password accordingly. Once you've resetted your password, it will just send a verification link to your phone number or the recovery email address that you've added. And once you've verified all the steps, you'll be able to successfully create a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can recover your Outlook account password. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.